The Hosting Your AI Website Builder might just be the ultimate tool for creating a professional website with minimal effort and time. And with constant updates, it's only getting better. So, it's time for my fresh and updated Hosting Your Website Builder review, along with a quick tutorial to see just how good it is right now and guide you through the building process. 2 birds, 1 stone kind of thing. Let's get building. Alright, to start things off, you'll need an account. And if you don't have a plan yet, I've got a discount link waiting for you in the description to get the lowest price possible. You can also scan the QR code on screen to access the same deal. Once you land on the plans page, you'll see 2 options, Premium and Business. Both are priced affordably compared to the competition, but that doesn't mean they skimp on resources. With either plan, you get a free domain for a year and can build up to 25 or 50 websites. Now, the price difference between the 2 isn't huge, so if you can afford it and want access to all AI features or plan to build an e-commerce site, I recommend going with the business plan. Those features are only included there. That said, the premium plan is totally fine for getting started, and you can upgrade anytime later. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to select your subscription length. As usual, the longer the term, the more you save overall. And before you proceed, make sure our coupon code is applied. Otherwise, you might overpay more than you need to. Okay, now that you've got your account and plan set up, let's start building a website. After logging in, head over to the Websites tab, click that big purple button, and select Hosting Your Website Builder. From there, you'll be prompted to describe your website. Choose a category and add a title. You'll also have the option to pick a template at this stage, but don't worry, I'll break that part down later. For now, let's focus on the AI Builder. Providing a detailed description is key. Hosting Your's AI takes what you write and crafts a website design complete with relevant text and images. Within seconds, your site is ready to go. Well, kind of. From there, you can choose a color template and dive into editing. If the initial result isn't quite what you were expecting, no worries, just generate it again. And if after a few tries it still doesn't look right, try tweaking your prompt a bit. Once you're happy with it, simply hit Let's Start Customizing to move forward. Or let's rewind for a sec. What if you'd rather start with a template instead of using the AI generated designs? Click Add Website, then scroll down and select or use pre-made templates. You'll get access to over 150 templates to choose from. If you want a hybrid option, look for designs tagged personalized with AI. There aren't a ton of these yet, but they're a much better foundation than randomly applying AI content to a static layout. From there, it works just like the AI website builder. You enter your brand name and description, and the AI fills in the template with relevant content automatically. No matter which method you pick, the next step is editing, and Hosting Your's drag and drop editor makes it crazy simple. You can adjust text, swap out images, and move sections around with ease. Just click drag and drop. Even if you've never built a website before, the intuitive layout makes it super easy to customize everything with zero hassle. There are 14 core elements at your disposal, covering everything from social icons and galleries to contact forms and custom code blocks. No overwhelming menus, just the essentials you actually need. Need terms of service sections, forms, or shop blocks? The pre-built section library has you covered. Could there be more animation and styling controls? Sure, but for a solid balance between ease of use and functionality, Hosting Your nails it. Now, color selection can feel overwhelming in some builders, but Hosting Your keeps it clean and simple. The color settings show you all the shades used in your design, along with how often each one appears, making it super easy to tweak your palette for a cohesive brand identity. And let's not forget fonts, they matter just as much. The Text tab offers curated font pairings to get you started, and if you want more control, the font editor lets you adjust size, line height, and font variations. Maybe your H2 headers need a bold, standout vibe, while your H3s stay sleek and modern. You've got full flexibility. For even more personalization, there's an extensive font library to help give your site a unique personality. Buttons and animations might not be the first things you think about, but they play a big role in your website's overall design and feel. The Buttons tab gives you 3 consistent styles to keep things uniform across your pages, and the Animation tab offers 4 movement effects to add some subtle motion. But honestly, I recommend keeping it minimal. A little goes a long way, and you don't want things to get too distracting. Now that the style is locked in, the content probably isn't quite there yet. Let's start with something simple like adding an image. Just drag the image element where you want it, and a demo image will pop in, ready to be replaced. Click Change Image to upload your own or browse through Hostinger's built-in stock image library. Once your image is in place, hit Edit Image to tweak things like shape, opacity, and even animation. You can do the same with galleries, text, and other elements. But let's talk about the easiest way to fill your site with content: AI. Hostinger is easily one of the best AI website builder options out there. It doesn't just offer a prompt-based builder, it also comes packed with a solid lineup of AI tools to help you easily build the website you've always wanted. You'll find these tools on the left side of the dashboard, and they include things like a logo maker, blog generator, AI writer, and more. For beginners, it's a goldmine, super easy to use and incredibly helpful. Just a heads up, you'll need the business plan to access these tools. And another quick reminder, you can grab either of the Hostinger website builder plans at the lowest price using our Hostinger coupon code in the description. You're welcome. Anyhow, let's get into the AI tools. First up, the AI image generator. It's flexible and pretty solid. Feed it a good prompt and it usually delivers decent results. Just keep an eye on your credits. Hostinger gives you a limited amount, and after that, each image will cost extra. Next, the AI logo maker, which can be a huge money saver. It spits out clean, non-copyrighted logos in seconds. Perfect if you don't want to spend money on a designer. Sure, it might not match a pro designer's work, but for a simple project, it more than gets the job done. The AI blog generator might also be a money saver, or at the very least, a serious time saver if you're planning to write content yourself. It can whip up entire blog posts from just a few keywords. Sure, you'll probably want to edit the text afterward, but if you need SEO content or just a solid starting point, it gets things going fast. Then there's the AI heat map tool, a pretty unique addition. It predicts which parts of your site will get the most attention before you even go live. Can I guarantee it's 100% accurate? Nope. But it can be super useful for new websites. For example, small online stores could use it to place buy buttons in the most high traffic spots. And if you're focusing on social media growth, it can help you position those links where they're more likely to get clicked. Now, the AI page generator is perfect for building new pages fast. Just drop it a description and it'll generate a rough layout for you. Is it perfect? Not really. It might struggle to nail exactly what you're going for. But honestly, it's way better than staring at a blank page and feeling that creative paralysis kick in. AI isn't just for designing and writing. Hostinger also brings it to e-commerce. One of the newest features is the AI product details generator. It creates compelling product descriptions from just a few keywords, saving you time and helping maintain consistency across all your product listings. Now, SEO can feel like a total nightmare, especially for beginners. But if you want your site to rank higher on Google, you can't ignore it. Luckily, Hostinger's AI-powered SEO tools make the process way less painful. The AI takes care of the essentials: meta descriptions, sitemaps, keyword suggestions, so your site gets better visibility without you needing to be an SEO expert. Just open the SEO AI assistant, hit generate new SEO info, add a quick site description, or keep the default one if it fits. Pick 3 main keywords, and that's pretty much it. The SEO settings page even shows you a preview of how your site will appear in search results, plus a progress bar that highlights what needs improvement. It's basically SEO for dummies, but in the best possible way. By now, you're probably ready to launch your masterpiece. Feeling nervous? Don't be. If you followed my guidelines, it probably looks pretty professional, and publishing is super easy. Just hit go live and a pop-up will give you a link to your brand new website. You'll also get the option to tweak your domain name if needed. If this is your first site on Hostinger, congrats! You get a free domain for the first year. You can claim it now or use a temporary domain and sort it out later. Just type in your preferred domain name and Hostinger will even throw a few suggestions your way. You'll also see the renewal price for next year. Once you find the one you like, hit next, and boom, your site is officially live and ready to take on the internet. Well, I guess that wasn't too difficult, but there are a few more things I want to cover in this Hostinger AI website builder review. One of those is security, because I want to give you a little peace of mind and let you know you can trust Hostinger. Every plan includes a built-in SSL certificate, which means any data exchanged between your visitors and your site, especially payment details, is encrypted and safe from prying eyes. And if you're running an online store, you'll be happy to know that Hostinger's e-commerce tools are validated by the highest security standards for processing payments. That means you can rest easy knowing your customers' financial info stays locked down and secure. No shady business, just peace of mind for you and your buyers. Besides security, performance is just as important. Nobody likes waiting around for a website to load, but that's not the only reason you want your site to be fast. A faster website means better user experience, higher engagement, and even improved search engine rankings. Speed isn't just a luxury, it's a key factor in how well your site performs across the board. To avoid being buried in the search results, Google recommends that websites load within 2.5 seconds, or at least have the most important content visible by then. To see if Hostinger meets the mark, I tested the site I just built using Hostinger's AI, and it easily loaded within Google's recommended time. So yeah, it's fast, it's secure, and it's easy to build. All right, that's a wrap. If you found this best website builder review helpful and want more up-to-date content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Overall, Hostinger's AI website builder is a solid tool that really speeds up the website building process and gives you a strong starting point. It's especially beginner-friendly, making it one of the best AI website builders for anyone with zero experience. That said, it's not a magic wand. You'll still need to tweak and edit to get a fully functional, personalized site. What do you think about these website builder AI tools? Have you tried one before? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. As for now, thanks for watching this Hostinger review, and I'll see you all soon.